Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw this very simple magic pixel art picture. It's a rabbit in the hat. This picture is very simple and you can draw it very quickly. For this picture I need black felt pen, blue, sky blue and pink. Firstly, I take black felt pen and I will start my drawing from the bottom right corner of the picture. This box will be right bottom corner of this picture and go to the left from this box, and I should paint 9 boxes to the left horizontally. From this box go up and I should paint over 8 boxes vertically. From this box go up and I should paint over 8 boxes vertically. Now from this box I should paint over these boxes horizontally to the right. From this box skip one box down and I draw a line here. These boxes I will color by blue, and now I should color by black all these boxes. Now from this box go to the left and one more time left, up and to the right, and I should paint 4 boxes this square. From this box go to the right, one more time to the right, up and to the left, and also coloring 4 boxes. Now from this box skip 2 boxes to the right and paint 5 boxes horizontally to the right. Now from this box go diagonally to the right and paint over 5 boxes up vertically. From this box 1 box to the right, coloring. From this box go diagonally to the right and coloring 1 box. Now from this box go diagonally to the left and go up. We should color 5 boxes vertically up. From this box go diagonally to the right and painting 3 boxes to the right horizontally. Now from this box go down and coloring 5 boxes vertically. From this box go diagonally to the right and down and coloring 1 box. Now from this box skip 1 box to the right and coloring here 6 boxes vertically. Here we should paint over 2 boxes horizontally to the right. Now go diagonally to the right and down and painting over 5 boxes vertically. From this box go diagonally to the left, coloring 1 box. And from this box go diagonally to the right and we should paint 5 boxes vertically. And here from this box go to the left and coloring 1 box. Now from this box skip 3 boxes up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and coloring here 1 box. From this box skip 3 boxes to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and coloring 1 box. From this box skip 3 boxes up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now go up to the left and down and coloring 4 boxes. From this box, go diagonally to the left and color in 7 boxes one by one. Now I take pink felt pen and from this box skip 2 boxes down, 1, 2, 3, and paint in 1 box. Now I take blue felt pen and from this box go diagonally here and color in 1 box. From this box go diagonally to the right and down, color in 1 box. From this box go diagonally to the left, color in 1 box. Here 1 box. From this box skip 1 box up and color in here 1 box. Skip 1 box to the right, color in 1 box. Skip down 1 box and color in 1 box. Now I take sky blue felt pen, color in these boxes by sky blue. Here from this box go diagonally, color in 1 box. From this box skip 1 box up, color in 1 box. Here go diagonally, color in 1 box. From this box skip 1 box to the right, color in 1 box. And from this box go diagonally to the right, color in 1 box. That's all. I finished my drawing, and as you see, it's very simple, nice and magic pixel art picture. Magic rabbit in the magic hat. If you enjoyed my video and this picture, please give me your likes and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.